Betrayal abafuna ukusibona siphila kumnandi kahle kade hlekana sizitha Betrayal abafuna ukusibona siphila kumnandi kahle kade hlekana sizitha I don't know what's happening. Do the real one, do the real family. Why is this happening? We're supposed to be showing love and caring. Say I push out, we hustling right needs hating. Isn't as I'm feeling like I'm failing. I'm trying to make it right for my guys. Bangidonsela phansi nami angisazi. Bandifuna litoni na ngoba yonke into ngenzela bona. Hey, ngenzela bona. I'm hustling, aiming at the stars, but the haters struck me down like a lightning. You feel me? So listen, don't ever give a damn by the haters who betray. Hlala uqine phela lo mhlaba sobolekini. Thatha iphepha nepen upush umshizilini. Nasekase bayazi ngihlale ngibusy. Push insuku zonke ihasela ipheli. Until I make it. Betrayal. Abafuna ukusibona siphila. Kumnandi kahle. Kade hlekana sizitha. Betrayal abafuna ukusibona siphila kumnandi kahle kade hlekana sizitha.
When I come back in my life, when I got money in my pockets and bank account, I mean, where were you when I was struggling, homeless, hard? It seems like you were forgetting that you betrayed and made fun of me in front of umphakathi. Bangihleba nokungihleba phambi komphakathi. Ngisho nenhliziyo izibuhlungu ngaphakathi. Uyakhohlwa ukuthi yimi umuntu okufake ngaphakathi. I guess love is just a game that came with the fame. I can't complain cause it's still going to remain. I thought I had moved on, I know that's insane. Let me know pain cause you're lame and I was playing. And you are not ashamed cause that's what
Bandifuna litoni na ngoba yonke into ngenzela bona. Hey, ngenzela bona. Betrayal abafuna ukusibona siphila kumnandi kahle kade hlekana sizitha. Betrayal abafuna ukusibona siphila kumnandi kahle kade hlekana sizitha.